Here's how to sign up for Amazon Prime Student. It's actually now called Amazon Prime for Young Adults. There's a couple landing pages. I'll leave this one in the link in the description below. And if you click that link, it takes you to this landing page. And whether you have a Prime account already or if you don't have a Prime account, you'll be able to sign up for Amazon Prime Student or switch your Prime account to Prime Student, which is now Prime for Young Adults. So you'll see this page if you have a Prime account already, and it says check eligibility. You can click that yellow button and it's going to take you to this page where it's basically saying you're going to get Prime for 50% off. You just have to verify as a student or verify as being between 18 and 24 years old, and you can get this Amazon Prime for young adults discounted rate. If you don't have a Prime account already, then you actually get an even better deal. So you'll see a page like this, which says join Prime for 18 to 24-year-olds. And when you click that, you'll see that you actually get a free 6-month trial of Amazon Prime for $0. And that's if you're between 18 or 24, 18 to 24, or if you're a student. So you don't just have to be a student. And then after that membership, it's half off. So it's 50% off after that, $7.49 per month. You also get 5% cash back with Amazon Prime for Young Adults, which you don't get with the regular Amazon Prime subscription. So that's a pretty cool perk as well. So whether or not you are currently an Amazon Prime member or you just have an Amazon account, or maybe don't even have an Amazon account, you can get Amazon Prime Student or Amazon Prime for Young Adults with that link in the description that will take you to this landing page. You can see all the perks. You get Grubhub Plus, free food deliveries, Prime Video, unlimited streaming, 5% cash back, obviously the free fast shipping, etc. So all the Prime benefits for half the price, or for 6 months for free and then half the price. That's Amazon Prime for Young Adults, which used to be called Amazon Prime Student. Check out the link in the description and go sign up today.